Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you all? Today we are going to read, write, learn and color through this book. This is your English book. So first we have some points to remember. So we encourage the students to start their work with Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and there are special symbols. These are special symbols and called icons. We are used to help children to do their work independently and to introduce these symbols to children and have them follow these symbols. These are instruction to follow. So we have these instructions to follow, and activity based by following these instructions. So this is the first page of your book, where you have see the icons on the top of the book. The first one is read, the second one is trace, and the third one is color. So first we read this page. There is the introduction of the k letter k. This is k, 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 k. C letter is C and the sound is k, k, k. The sound is k, k, k. K is curvy. K is curvy like this. Curve. The right one curve. K is curvy. So we have to do read, trace and color on this page. So I will write the date first. Today is 5th 9 2020. Now we will read the objects of the k. K cup, k cup, k cup, k cup, k carrot, k carrot, k carrot, k carrot, k clock, k clock, k clock, k clock. The second thing is trace. So first we will trace the k. Follow the dot and the arrows and trace the k. K is between the two lines and k is curvy. This is your right curve. Right curve. K is curvy and this is your right curve. So I will trace these two lines and you can see that the k is in between the two lines. This is your line number 1, 2, 3 and 4. K is in between the two lines. So we start from the dot and follow the arrow and trace the k. And repeat the objects of the k. K cup, k carrot, k clock, k cup, k carrot, k clock. This is not k. This is the last one, and I traced all the k. So now the third one is color. So we should color the pictures with up and down movement. Okay, I will take the colors. So I will take green, light green, to color the cup. Your movement should be up and down like this. And you also first color the boundaries, the outline of the object like this. This is your cup, k cup. Now I am finishing my color. This is also the up and down. The cup has tea inside, so I will color light brown color like this. Up and down, your movement should be up and down. So students, I have done my cup colors. Now I will color the carrot and the clock. Caterpillar, caterpillar. Now I will trace the line and trace also. Follow the dots and the arrow and trace k. Come to the second object. This is apple. You can see that the beginning sound of the apple is a. So this is not the object of the k. I will not match this. Come to the third object. This is cone. The first beginning sound of the cone is k, and you can also listen the sound of the k. So k, cone, k, cone. This is the object of the k. I will match it with the help of the ruler. The third one is car, car, k, car. Beginning sound is k, k, car. I will match this also with the help of the ruler. Now I will color those objects which I match with the k. The caterpillar is in green color, so I will give green color to the caterpillar. And you can see ice creams are in, cones are in any color, car in any color, so I will color it. You can see the color of the caterpillar, cone and car. I have done the coloring. Now come to the next page. This is page number 3. Here you can practice of the k. Dear students, you can see that the k is in between the two lines. So this is a grass letter, because between the two lines all the letters are called grass letters. So I am giving green color to the grass to showing that this is a grass letters. Trace all the k, and after 2 lines we will start writing of the k with the help of the dot and the arrow. K is curvy and this is your right curve, so we will start from the dot and make a small curve like this. This is your K. I am not going to up and down from these 2 lines. This is K. K. K is curvy. K is curvy. Start from the dot and finish to the 3rd line. So I have done all the writing of the K. So dear students, we have done 3 pages, 1, 2 and 3. I hope you will learn easily from the book. So thank you for watching video.